everybody, and welcome back to the vlog. So in today's episode, I'm actually gonna go to Chinatown to have lunch with my friend Maria. Now I'm getting on the train. Well, actually missed the train a few seconds ago, so we're gonna wait up here because it's actually warmer here than out there. It's around 40 degrees today, so I'm freezing my butt off. But yeah, I'm gonna get on the CTA, that's the Chicago Transit Authority, and we're gonna take the 1 hour ride to downtown Chicago. And once we get there, we would have to transfer from the blue line, which is what I'm gonna take right now, and then we're gonna transfer onto the red line, take it down south to get to Chinatown. This will all take an hour, but let's get to Chinatown. Oh my god, I'm not used to this weather yet, but I'm waiting for Maria. She's gonna be here in a few minutes, and then we're gonna go eat some food. While we wait for Maria, this is where I got on Jefferson Park, the blue line, took it all the way down to downtown. This is called the Loop, where you do most of your transfers. I transferred somewhere right here on Jackson, and then took the train to Cermak Chinatown. All took about an hour or so minutes, but there were a lot of delays today. These guys are hustlers. They're literally outside in 30-degree temperature playing the drums. Look at these guys. Alright, still waiting for Maria. So just a quick thing that I want to tell you guys: if you guys are ever visiting Chicago and you want to ride the CTA, you actually need to get a couple of these passes. It's about $2.75 to ride the CTA, and if you want to get one of these passes, you can go through the machines here at the station. So quick tip for you guys. Alright, we're here in Chinatown and it's absolutely cold. It's 30 degrees today. So instead of getting dim sum, Maria has opted, hey Maria has opted for some Hotpot. Yes. And I don't disagree. So we're gonna walk around to check out some places and see which one has the best hot pot. Oh my god, my hands are freezing. I want to go back to Vietnam. Maria, can you buy me a ticket back to Vietnam?
No, I'm broke.
I'm broke as hell too. I'm stuck here for the winter,
Even
guys.
if I wanted to, I couldn't.
Now we are in the part that is called Old Chinatown. New Chinatown is actually a couple blocks down that way. But I haven't been here in 2 years, and actually the area looks much nicer and cleaner. So a dramatic difference from the last time I've been here. Epic fail. House shrimp paste. Octopus.
I feel like where you get the money most.
Yeah. Shiitake mushroom.
Yeah. Oh.
Alright, so right now we are at Little Lamb Hot Pot located in Chinatown, and we got a pretty good deal for the hot pot. It's like $22 per person for a hot pot, and we basically got like spicy on one side and herbal on the other. Pretty sure. Alright, put in whatever you want. I'm gonna go spicy first. Corn, just put it all in. Meat, you take out first. Alright guys, do you guys see this right here? All the peppers inside. I think I'm gonna be sitting in the toilet tomorrow for several hours on end. This looks dangerous. So we're eating a hot pot right now. My throat is absolutely burning at the moment, and it's already been irritating the last few days as I got like minor colds and whatnot. So delicious. I haven't had hot pot in probably like 2 years. Even in Vietnam, the weather is like hot every single day. 90 degrees, 100 degrees. I mean, who would think about going out and having hot pot? But the weather outside is 30 degrees, so this is perfect food for this weather. Maria is asking me all these questions like, what is Tong Ho? What is Daikon? What are like basically any weird name she sees on the menu, she's asking me that. I'm like, is that because I'm Asian? Is it? Is it?
No. You're not Chinese.
Well, I'm actually half Chinese. I mean, my grandparents came from China, but still, I haven't picked up on the language in quite some time. I mean, I did learn a couple months ago, but I quit. All I know is yak yi sam say lo kat. That's it. Sick fan is important. Sick fan just means eat, and that's all I want to do is sick fan. I feel like I'm gonna have a hole in my stomach because everything is just so spicy. After this, we're probably gonna just walk around Chinatown, but if you guys ever want to come to this place, it is called Little Lamb, and they have a deal that's $22.99, all you can eat, and you can order as much food as you want, and they'll give you like 3 rounds. So a round of food, chill out a little bit, another round, chill out, and then the final round, and then you'll be good. But honestly, we're so full, we're not even gonna make it to round 3, so we're just gonna finish up, get our check, and just walk around. Food was good, broth was flavorful, and the amount of meat, seafood, and vegetables were plentiful, so I definitely recommend you guys come here one time.
Alright guys, I'm freezing. I don't want to hold this camera out any longer or else I'm gonna get frostbite. Huh? Ah. So some things are the same in Asia and in America. You see the barbecued duck, they still leave the head on. It's a common scene in Asia, but not so much here, you know. I feel like I'm in like a Hong Kong movie right now with Jackie Chan, because I feel like this is like one of the locations where they would actually film Hong Kong movies. What I don't like about Chinatown is there's always this like foul smell going on. But if you walk a little further out, it goes away. Whew.
We made a stop at one of the stores here in Chinatown. I'm trying to find like gloves right now because I do not have it. It's super cold. But I can kind of compare the store to like the dollar store, but just the Chinese version. See, the store is so tiny. I feel like if I turn around, my backpack's gonna hit one of the things on the shelf. And you know, when you're in a store like this, you break, you buy. Stuff on you. Oh. Ah, that was what I'm looking for. Yeah, so I do not have any gloves, and I don't want to pay like $20 for some. So I'm gonna go for these $2 gloves. They're not gonna keep you warm, but something's better than nothing. And over here they also have earmuffs. And if you really want, you can probably find like fake AirPods here. Or earbuds like that. $9? What the hell? Ah, these are nice. Find some nice gloves that says Chicago. I think I'm gonna go with this one. They also have like Chinese traditional dresses hanging up top. I'm not sure if these are expensive or if they're authentic, but like I said again, this is kind of like the dollar store. So I doubt they're authentic. I love the way the store is decorated. You can see lanterns all over. So like I said before, in these stores you can find a lot of knockoff things. This one looks like the Apple headphones, but they're $8, so they cannot hang these off of that. Right? Fortune? Okay.
Yo por aquí voy a pasar.
I kind of want to get the candies, but the...
Alright, so we finished our shopping in 5 minutes, and if you guys want to get any accessories, it will be here at this store. I cannot read Cantonese, so I'll give you the English version. AJ Houseware and Gifts. So I'm at the Chiu bakery. They have 2 locations. One of it is in Uptown. They actually have another one here in Chinatown. And I've been going here since I was a little child, and I always come here for the egg tarts. And once I get that, I guess we'll just finish up the vlog because Maria is not feeling so well. So we're gonna head back to her place and hang out for a little bit. 3 egg tarts. Yes. Oh no, 3 egg tarts. The Portuguese style. Yeah.
Anything else?
And that'll be it. Walk back to Maria's place, and I guess I'm just gonna end the vlog. If you guys like Chinatown or want to see more of this area, let me know in the comments so I can film more. Just right now Maria isn't feeling too well, so she needs to find a bathroom. But yeah, we're gonna head back to her place, chill out for the rest of the night. It is getting cold, so I think that's the ideal thing to do. If you guys enjoyed the video, give me a like, and if you enjoy watching me on YouTube, then give my channel a subscribe, and let me know what else you guys want to see in Chicago. I'm gonna be here for quite some time, and I'm gonna be doing a lot of video, so please comment down below and let me know what you want to see. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and we'll see you back here on another episode of Winning Without Borders. Bye bye guys.